Piston Compressor Nebulizer ME100. Nebulizer preparation. At the beginning, be aware that the nebulizer is clean. Then set the nebulizer on a flat surface with easy access to an electric socket. Unwind the power supply cord by cutting the plastic tie and plug it into the socket located at the back side of the nebulizer. Take the plastic connecting tube and attach one end to the device's air outlet and the other end to the bottom of the medication chamber. Unwind the top part of the medication chamber. Pour the medicine into the chamber. Wind the top of the medicine chamber back in the initial position. Assemble the selected accessory, mask or mouthpiece, on the upper section of the medication chamber. Starting inhalation therapy. Inhalation therapy is meant for children, the elderly, and for everyone who have a problem with airway transitivity or who want to keep their airways healthy. Inhalation is used against pollen and house dust, cigarette smoke, or cold and dry air. It is also used for curing the common cold, cough, asthma, bronchitis, and other respiratory diseases. For starting inhalation therapy, plug the power cord into the electric socket. Press the switch of the nebulizer in position 1. Start the treatment and carry on for as long as you can still see the mist produced by the nebulization of the medication performed by the appliance. The presence of a small amount of medication in the chamber at the end of each treatment is absolutely normal, as this residue cannot be nebulized. Nebulizer cleaning and warnings. After each therapy, carefully clean each accessory of the nebulizer. Be sure to clean the medicine residue from the medicine chamber. Wash every accessory except the connecting tube under tap water at a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. If impurities occur on the tube, it should be replaced. Do not soak the device or clean it under tap water. If it needs cleaning, simply use a moist cloth. If you want to change the air filter, lift the filter cap on the nebulizer and replace the old filter with the new one. Always keep the nebulizer in a dry and clean place, away from temperature and weather impacts. But never perform inhalation therapy when the device is placed at a corner larger than 60 degrees or in a vertical position. Piston Compressor Nebulizer ME100. For additional information, visit www.medikoel.com or call 00386 04537 8510.